Hello my friends, this video is about boxes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, this video and the story involved therein will be a little bit more understandable if we insert a little bit of B-roll right at the beginning. So, cue the B-roll. Alright, if you can't guess from that, Rosie and I are thinking about moving. We have lived in this house for about 16 and a half years, and it's been a great house. And it's been a great house. We've loved it the whole time. But right now, we are pretty much alone in the area where we live. We moved out here initially because our son and his family moved here. And that worked out great. But a couple of years ago, they moved to a different city, and it's about an 8 or 9 hour drive. So if we need some help, they're not going to be able to get here real quick. But we do have some family in Independence, and we're looking at that area. We have some family in Liberty, and we're looking in that area. We're also looking at Lee Summit and Blue Springs. So we have some pretty specific criteria that we're looking for in a house, and we're going to be looking over the next few weeks or months, however long it takes, to find the perfect house that will probably be the last one we buy. And we're going to take you with us when we find houses to look at, we'll take you with us. You can look at it. You can tell us what you think in the comments on the video. And hopefully, between all of us, we'll come up with the perfect house. So that's it for now. I'm going to go back and continue sorting through things and doing some packing. Just so you know, I've taken probably 12 large 45-gallon trash bags to the curb over the last couple of weeks since we've started emptying things out. And I've made about 7 or 8 trips to Salvation Army to get rid of stuff that someone can use but that we probably won't use in the future. So I think that's it for now. And until next time, until I speak with you again and even after that, you stay focused.